From the Joyroom Wearable Speaker to the Camingo Instant E-Bike Kit, these are 20 mind-blowing gadgets you didn't know you needed. Stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss number 1. Number 20. TactiGrip Smart Multi-Tool. Meet the TactiGrip Smart Multi-Tool, your ultimate outdoor survival and daily repair companion. Packed with 15 tools in one, it includes a folding knife, mini flashlight, compass, fire starter, glass breaker, and even a phone stand. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's water-resistant, lightweight, and built for tough adventures. Whether camping, hiking, or fixing things at home, it's always ready. Like and subscribe for more genius tools like this. Number 19. Camingo E-Power Snap. Turn your regular bike into a 750W e-bike in just 10 seconds with Camingo. This 2.3 kilograms ultralight kit includes a friction drive motor, bottle cage battery, and handlebar controller. Choose between standby, assist, or cruise mode, ideal for commuting or hill climbs. It's water-resistant and snaps on without tools, perfect for quick upgrades. High voltage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing biking gear. Number 18. iLick Cute Robot Pets. Meet iLick, the tiny robot with a giant personality. It laughs, pouts, throws tantrums, and reacts to your touch like a Pixar character come to life. Tap its head, and it giggles. Ignore it, and it sulks. Put two together, and they interact like best friends or even argue like siblings. More than a toy, it's a mood-lifting desk buddy. Lightbulb-like and subscribe to explore more fun and interactive gadgets. Number 17. Fosi K7 Pure Sound. Upgrade your sound with the Fosi Audio K7 DAC amp, built for audiophiles and creators. It delivers 2.1 W per channel with ultra-low distortion and 121 dB dynamic range. Supports USB-C, optical, coaxial, and Bluetooth connections. Perfect for gaming, hi-fi listening, streaming, or podcasting. With mic input and RCA outputs, it turns any setup into a professional-grade sound system. Sleek, compact, and powerful, your sound redefined. Number 16. Seasucker Bike Rack. The Seasucker Talon Max makes transporting your bike fast and easy. Using 5 ultra-strong vacuum mounts, it works on almost any car, sedans, SUVs, or hatchbacks. Heavy-duty fork clamps fit multiple axle sizes, keeping your bike secure at any speed. Installs in seconds, removes just as quickly, and packs small for travel. Finally, a safe and simple way to carry your bike anywhere. Number 15. Basius 163W Car Charger. The Basius VR2 Max is a 163W charging beast with total control. Charge 4 devices at once with hidden retractable cables, keeping things clean and mess-free. With 450-degree rotating flexibility, it reaches every seat in your car. Say goodbye to tangles and hello to organized, powerful charging. High voltage. Hit like and subscribe for more powerful tech upgrades. Number 14. Basius Pico Go Magnetic Power Bank. The Basius Pico Go packs 5,000 mAh power into a credit card-sized design. Snap it to your iPhone using Qi 2 wireless charging for 15W fast power, or use USB-C for 20W rapid charging. A rotating stand makes video viewing easy and hands-free. With built-in safety features, it's perfect for travel or emergencies. Tiny yet mighty power on demand. Number 13. 2PAN Pro SSD. The 2PAN Pro SSD gives you 2 terabytes of ultra-secure storage with fingerprint unlocking. A smart LCD displays real-time status, while a silent fan prevents overheating. It's perfect for recording 4K videos, streaming at 120Hz, or even charging devices at 40W. Compact and futuristic, it's a next-gen upgrade for creators, gamers, and professionals alike. Number 12. Case for Nintendo Switch 2. Upgrade your Nintendo Switch 2 with the PlayVital Meteor Grip Case. Non-slip TPU side handles and thumbstick caps provide superior comfort and control. The clear sci-fi etched back shows off your console while keeping it safe from shocks and scratches. Fully dockable and easy to install, it combines style, safety, and long session comfort in one sleek package. Number 11. Basketball Return System. The Dr. Dish IC3 turns your hoop into a pro-level training system. Its 180-degree net catches and returns every ball, allowing 16 shots per minute without chasing rebounds. Lightweight and foldable, it sets up in seconds and rolls away for storage. Basketball-like and subscribe for more sports innovation and pro training gear. Number 10. AI Portable Fan. Stay cool anytime with the 2025 AI Portable Fan. Clip it to your waist, hang it from your neck, or place it on your desk. Turbo blade spin at 6,600 RPM with 4 adjustable speeds. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 25 hours, perfect for daily use or outdoor adventures. Smart, portable cooling built for modern life. Number 9. Ultrasonic Precision Cutter. The ultrasonic cutter slices through foam board, PVC, leather, and wood with razor-sharp accuracy. It vibrates at 40,000 cycles per second, making even tough cuts smooth and easy. Cordless with a rechargeable battery and LED light, it's perfect for crafting, cosplay, and 3D printing. Transform difficult projects into effortless art with this pro-grade tool. Number 8. Joyroom S80 Mini Camera.
The Joyroom S80 packs powerful 2.7K video recording into a compact body. Its 180-degree rotating lens and 1.47-inch IPS screen make it versatile for any angle. Wi-Fi and app control allow instant sharing, while its durable build suits helmets, pets, or gear. A long battery life keeps you recording all day, turning everyday adventures into cinematic memories. Number 7. Joyroom Hands-Free Umbrella Holder. Free your hands with the Joyroom Hands-Free Umbrella Holder. It securely straps an 8 to 10 mm umbrella to your body, letting you carry coffee, a phone, or bags in the rain. Adjustable straps and rubber grips keep it steady, even in strong winds. Lightweight and travel-ready, it's perfect for city walks or outdoor adventures. Number 6. Retro Mechanical Keyboard. The Retro Mechanical Keyboard blends nostalgia with modern tech. Featuring 83 blue switches and rhyme punk-style caps, each key feels satisfying and crisp. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0 or USB-C, pairing with up to 3 devices. Enjoy 14 backlight modes and wooden accents for a vintage touch. Knobs for volume and brightness add convenience and style. Number 5. FaceSight Bike Camera. The FaceSight Bike Camera keeps you safe while riding. It streams real-time video to a 4.3-inch HD screen, covering a wide 145-degree field of view. Night vision helps you see clearly after dark, while the durable, rotatable mount handles rough terrain. Easy to install, it's the ultimate safety companion for cyclists. Number 4. Deluxe MF20 Travel Mouse. The Deluxe MF20 is a foldable travel mouse built for modern nomads. It folds down small for pockets and expands to full size when needed. With dual wireless modes, Bluetooth 5.2 and 2.4 GHz, plus adjustable DPI up to 4000, it's precise and versatile. Quiet clicks make it perfect for shared spaces, while its rechargeable battery lasts for days. Number 3. Divoom Times Floating Digital Frame. The Divoom Times frame displays photos like they're floating in mid-air. Its 10.1-inch transparent HD display creates a holographic effect for your memories. With 64 GB built-in storage and Wi-Fi sharing, friends and family can send photos instantly. Customizable clock faces, weather updates, and reminders make it a smart home essential. Number 2. MS3L Microscope Clip. Turn your phone into a portable science lab with the MS3L Microscope Clip. Choose between 40x, 80x, or 120x magnification to explore fabrics, insects, or electronics. Built-in LED and UV lights reveal details invisible to the naked eye. Weighing under 50 g, it's compact, portable, and perfect for curious minds on the go. Number 1. Joyroom Wearable Speaker. Ditch tangled earbuds with the Joyroom Wearable Speaker. It clips to bags, belts, or metal racks with a magnetic back and carabiner clip. With Bluetooth 5.4, ENC mic for wind noise reduction, and 3 EQ modes, your music always sounds clear. Built-in LED SOS light adds safety during outdoor adventures. Musical note: like and subscribe for more tech that keeps you moving. Which gadget was your favorite? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech finds every week.